All right, guys, this is how to sign up for stockscommunity.com and how to get into the community. So if you go to stockscommunity.com, you get redirected to wap.com/stockscommunity. WAP is just the payment processor and community management interface. So you'll see this title, you'll see the product here, the description, what you get, and that's me, and then FAQs. So when you click on join, you're going to see this $25 7-day trial. Because I've already used the trial, because I've been testing this out, I'm not going to be able to be given the trial. So when I click join, it's going to say skip free trial. Okay, so it's one trial per person. So I acknowledge that, and then I move forward, and I'm going to purchase it at the monthly price. Okay, it's $250 as of the time of recording this video. If there is a promo code, I can enter that in. At the time of recording this video, there is a 25% off promo code for a limited time. If I click apply, you can see that it says it's limited to 1 use per customer. Okay, I've already used this promo code, so I've already signed up in testing this out for you guys. So that's the total. I'm going to enter in a card here. Let's see. So I'll show you how to do that. You go to card and you enter in the number. I'm going to move this down a little bit. So this is secure, and I'm going to enter in that number just like I would on Amazon or any e-commerce website. So I'm going to enter in the expiration and the security, and then enter in the full name on the card, which I can move that up now. So that's my full name, Samuel. I'll enter in my address. Okay. And it auto-completed it in my particular case. You might have to fill out those fields, I don't know. And then I will click join. Now, we'll take a second, and then I will get that confirmation email. Okay. When you do get that confirmation email, I will show you what that looks like right now. So I'm going to go to, it does directly log me in right away, and I'm in the members area. But if I do go and check that confirmation email, if you sign into your email, I will do that right now. And it's actually so rare I sign into my email. This might take a couple passwords. But we're getting there. Trust. I do have two-step verification, so I'm just going to enable that on my phone. And now I'm signed up, signed in, and signed up. Don't need my password saved here. I am using Firefox for this demonstration, but you can use whatever browser you use. I usually use Chrome. I've used Microsoft Edge as well for this demo. There's my purchase, there's the payment, and I can click Access Stocks Community. So when I do that, I'm in the interface that I was in over here. Okay, so here we are, and this is where the community is located. It's Discord. It's like Facebook groups. It's often used for investors and traders. So I'm going to see that, and I just zoomed in a little bit so that I wouldn't have to drag this window around. So that's how you can see this. Claim access, and it's going to open up discord.com. And then you'll get right in the community, and be good to go. So I'm going to enter in a Discord username here if I need an account, which I will do for this demonstration. I'm going to create a display name, make sure that's available. In fact, for my display name, I'm going to use my real name and then a user, and then I'll create a password, and then I'll enter my date of birth. Okay, so that is all good to go here. Create that account right here. Oops, I actually needed to zoom out for this demonstration. I was zoomed in again, so I didn't see this email field. That makes a lot of sense. So I will enter in that email up here and create that account right away, like so. It'll be a little CAPTCHA security test, and going to make sure I fill this out here. And get into Discord. Discord does have pretty good bots, sort of management, so that it's just us in here, particularly with the initial fee. That's a piece of the reason why I do charge an initial fee for that trial. So it's just us, okay? And then we're in here, okay? And once you get in here, what you're going to see is this Discord server, okay? What I did here was I logged in as a admin, but what you're going to see is what I'm going to show you right here, okay? So I'm going to open up my Discord here, and you'll see exactly the community as a user, okay? Just going to drag that over here. And this is the Discord. When you click on that, you'll be in the stocks community. That is it. I will see you guys in there, and I look forward to having you join the member list. All right. Let me know if you have any questions as a YouTube comment. That's the best way and the fastest way to reach me as of this time. I will be in the Discord, and I will be accessible via wap.com as well, and via email as well. My email is sam@samputnam.com. See you soon.